All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coins, staking the coins, 6-in-1 miners, crypto projects, coins that you hope shoot to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today, people are still looking for the coins that are going to shoot to the moon. Well, SHIBA INU could be that coin. Their community thinks that in July, this month, that the coin's going to go up 99%. We got an article we're going to go to. We're going to cover the SHIBA INU. We're going to go to their price prediction, what they've been doing in the last 7 days. It's up right this second. Also go to their Twitter account, go to their website. At the end, we're going to cover a cryptocurrency project. Popcorn BUSD just launched a day or so ago, and the Elk of Fortune is coming up. I'm going to talk about that for a minute. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day get in a project, understand the projects, understand how to look at it, the whole 9 yards. This is a solo dolo kind of thing. If you click the little button and you make all kinds of money, fantastic for you. If you click the button and you lose money, it's a solo dolo. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Let's head over to SHIBA INU. All right, right here, SHIBA INU trending number 3 on CoinMarketCap, trending number 3. 3.3% it says it's up today. It's pretty good. Let's go scroll down here a little bit. Right here, SHIBA. There's a 3% for the week, and it's, I'm sorry, for the day, and it's up 5% for the week. Let's go ahead and click it. SHIBA right here has got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 1057. We're all looking for the coins and the projects that are going to help us make money, and their community thinks that the coin's going to go up 99%. I'll show you why they say this in a second. It's up 3% for today. Take a look. It's going up to the right. Isn't that fantastic? You even like hearing the way that sounds. It's going up to the right. It's a 7-day. It's been up and down, but it's actually up still 5% for 7 days. If you look where it's at, and you look all the way back to 7 days, it touched it right there, but 7 days ago it was right here. So it's actually up over the last 7 days. SHIBA INU community projects 99% rise in July. Is this feasible? 99%? Take a look at this little SHIB right there. This is the coin they think is going to go up 99% this month. SHIBA INU is trading on the back foot this year and barely delivering gains for several months straight. The dog-themed token is moving in a tandem with the crypto market, has mostly been negative in 2022. However, the SHIBA INU community seems unfazed and optimistic about the price despite the string of crashes. CoinMarketCap, remember it's trending at number 3 right now, which conducts community price projects every month, shows that the SHIBA investors are hopeful that the token price could double. The crypto community on CoinMarket has projected the SHIB price could reach all these 4 zeros in 2065, and it's at 4 zeros in 1054. That would be a double. By July 21st of this year, SHIB is trading at, there it is, the 4 zeros in a 1033, and it's actually at a 1054, so it's slightly up from where this article was. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. The project's cost is 99% of the current price. The data from CMC's price estimates tool management allows investors to make crypto price predictions. All right, could SHIBA INU spike 99% in the month of July? Now, since everybody's looking for cryptocurrency to shoot to the moon, we're looking for projects that are going to do good, like the Elk of Fortune's coming out, the Cake of Fortune. We're looking for coins that are going to go up. Bitcoin is down from where it's been, and everybody wants to watch the Bitcoin. They're saying, this is what CoinMarket's saying, and their community, that they think SHIBA INU could be up 99% by the end of July. That would be double. If you had $10 in it, you'd have 20 when it's done. If you had $100 in it, you'd have 200 in it. Give me your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's head back over to SHIBA INU. Can SHIBA INU spike 99% in July 2022? Take a look at that. They got the flowers right there. SHIBA INU saw double digits growth and indicates only a handful of times this year. This includes when Robinhood got on board. Yeah, that's another thing. Robinhood has now got the SHIBA INU. So if you're a Robinhood member and you like SHIBA INU, you can actually buy it on Robinhood. That's a big thing. On board in April, recently jumped 40% at the end of by the end of June. Apart from these few instances, SHIBA has primarily traded in the red or sideways, and its downward trajectory is yet to end, and another price drop is expected. So they think the price drop is still expected. In addition, SHIBA INU transactions have reached a 15-month low, as only 157,000 transactions took place in June. So they're at a low in their transactions. The number stood at 209,000, nearly 25% lower. The number of transactions dropped when an analyst predicted that Bitcoin could slump below 20,000. That Bitcoin going down is just not helping anything. However, on the other hand, data from the leading crypto exchange, Coinbase, shows that the investors are keen on SHIBA. The token attracts good buying pressure on the app, with 90% of the investors keeping it on buy and 7% on sell. So 90% are trying to buy and 7% are selling. This indicates the interest in SHIB is growing, and the investors are keeping a keen eye on to buy the dips. Moreover, the lead developer of SHIBA Swap updated about an upcoming development, hinting that the future is promising, considering that none of the developments will be launched this month. It is unlikely that SHIB could spike 99% by July 31st of 2022. So they're saying it's unlikely, but the article here says, can SHIBA INU spike 99% in July of 2022? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming video. All right, SHIBA INU. It's trending at number 3 on CoinMarketCap right now. Robinhood, people that have Robinhood can actually buy the SHIBA INU and on their actual app, which is fantastic. There's actually predicting that possibly it could be up 99% by the end of July. At the beginning it says it could, and at the end it says it couldn't. That's the nice thing about crypto. Nobody knows at all. It's just like the stock market. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Let's head over to Popcorn BUSD Miner. Just launched a day or two ago. Just want to show you this real quick. All right, right here, Popcorn BUSD Miner. Popcorn BUSD Miner based on Binance Smart Chain. It says earn up to 16% daily with the 5840 ROI. Start mining. You click it. I put $200 into this yesterday, which is actually fantastic. What did I do? I put 200 in. I got 69.34 on BUSD miners. I got $11 in BUSD sitting there right now. 10 hours before the thing is full, which is fantastic. I can pocket my BUSD or I can compound my BUSD. Let's go ahead and on film here, let's show you how to pocket it. So this right here, I got $103 BUSD. I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm, and let's see what happens here. So this 11 BUSD that's sitting here, take a look at that. There's 103. It usually takes a second or so, and this is my wallet. I got 103 BUSD sitting there. Usually 3 to 5 seconds, and all of a sudden the transaction completes itself. You get 16% a day, which is fantastic. Boom, I got 114 right there. So 11 of it, so I got a little bit of a fee there. So 11 more dollars in my wallet. I'm showing you guys this new Popcorn BUSD. There's a referral link right there. How to start mining. Enter your BUSD amount. Click hire the miners. The miners will find tokens. Compound your daily. Then withdraw your profits. You just watch me withdraw $11. Or I should say 11 BUSD. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. SHIBA INU, shooting to the moon, possibly. Popcorn BUSD miner, getting paid in BUSD. Pretty nice. Here's the next one. Elk of Fortune coming out on Saturday or Sunday this week. Let's check this out. All right, everybody, the Elk of Fortune right here. Welcome to Elk of Fortune. This is going to, let's blow this up a little bit. This is going to be kind of like the BUSD crop farmers, where you actually have to compound so many times. You're going to buy your elk, and to buy your elk, you click right here, and you can actually select your coin, and you would connect your wallet. So look, I just connected my wallet. I got BNB right here, select my token. I would select elk token, and I would go ahead and do a swap right there. That's fantastic. So that's how you buy it. The Cake of Fortune, you definitely one of my favorite projects right here. There's a video right up here. Crypto Craig.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig. And today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are.
So the Cake of Fortune is another project with the Elk of Fortune. 1% of the Elk of Fortune is going to go into the Cake of Fortune. This Cake of Fortune is going to probably be one of the best projects on the internet. They're trying to change the way DeFi is. So just letting you know about this Elk of Fortune. They're going to have a lottery thing going on right here. You buy your lottery tickets. I'm going to do a video probably on Friday that explains everything about the Cake of about the Elk of Fortune. Start your fortune. You click right here and you get started. All right, so we got the SHIBA INU. We got the Popcorn BUSD miner and the Elk of Fortune coming out on Saturday. So this is pretty good. You want to get in early, get your Elk of Fortune going. You're going to have to buy elk. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. And the Cake of Fortune, that's going to be one of my favorites too. Let's head back over to SHIBA INU for a little price prediction and go from there. All right, back over here. Can SHIBA INU spike 99% in July? Over at the website, SHIBA token, decentralized meme token that involves a vibrant ecosystem, our project and ecosystem, the SHIB, the leash, the bone, buy them all. Buy the leash, buy the SHIB, buy how to buy. We all know this. Get your MetaMask set up. All right, then they got their Twitter account you can go to, check out everything that's going on. Here's the SHIBA INU army that's getting ready to go. They got the SHIBA INU dogs, SHIBA leash and bone go live. Switch here. All right, what's our price prediction? Well, they think this coin's going to go up 99% by the end of the month, possibly. It's up right now. It's trending. Take a look at the trending too again. It's trending number 3 right here. Number 3 on CoinMarketCap. So what is our price prediction? There's 4 zeros and a 10.55. I think it's going to be 4 zeros and a 12.55. Now again, all my information is for educational purposes only, but they're actually talking about the article that it could go up 99% by the end of July. So do your own homework. When you click that button, it's a solo dolo kind of thing. If you click it and you make all kinds of money, fantastic to you. If you click the button and you lose money, I mean, it's all on you. I'm not a financial planner. Do all this for educational purposes only. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Popcorn BUSD, the Elk of Fortune, the Cake of Fortune, and SHIBA INU, the coin that could shoot to the moon. Also, click right here so you can learn about BNB Miner. This miner's been paying off for 460 days, one of our best miners going right this second. And click right here for the Trust Miner. This pays out in a stable coin, USDT. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and you have a fantastic day.